Hello everyone, welcome in the second video tutorial of Python. Today I'm going to show you the integer float byte string in Python. So 2 plus 2 represent 4. I mean to say that is the integer type. If you add 2.0 plus 3, that represent 5.0, that is the float type. And 2.0 assigned into the a, the value of is a is the floating type value. You can print it the value of a, then you can see the result becomes 5.0. It means a is the float type. Okay, if you want to convert it the float into the string, that is the explicitly type conversion. So you can use int method and the float method also. So this is the simple thing you can do in the Python and any other languages. So you multiply 2 into 3, that is 6. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Both are 2 minus 3.0 is that represent minus 1.0. Okay, so 2 minus 4.5 is the 2.5, and lots of things you can do it here. As an example, integer minus 2.5, that is 2, because the rational number is removed from the numbers, that is minus 2.5 represent 2 in the integer. 4 modulus of 2, that is 0, and you can any other operator applied it here and get the result, corresponding results. 0 modulus of 2, that is 0, and okay, so these are the integer, float, double, and the built-in types automatically assigned to the variable. That is there is no recommendation to define the type of the variable, but the Python is a strongly typed languages. Okay, so assign, you can use the byte type. So 0b01, it means that is the binary number, and represent a 1 is the decimal number. 0b10 is the binary number. 0010 is the octal number but represent in the decimal, that is 8, and 0x10 is the hexadecimal number but represent in the decimal, that is 16. Okay, integer, if you want to convert 4.5 in the integer, that is the value type of error presented here, because 4.5 is the string that is not converted into the integer, but if you convert 4, then easily represent into the integer. So if you give the proper value in the form of the string and you want to convert it into the integer and as well as a float, then you can easily convert it by using their integer and float methods. Okay, so these are the explicitly conversion method it here. You can use it here. Okay, so integer nan, okay, none, that is error, but if you put into the float, that is nan represent nan. Okay, that is none. So in the string you can use hello and friend, and the result is hello friend. So thank you very much, and in the later video session I will cover more. Thank you very much.